I'm excited to share a little side project I've been working on. I built a live AI commentator for Fortnite streams using Google's Gemini and a custom web page hosted on GitHub utilizing Gemini's API service. Basically, it brings live commentary into my stream or your stream and even integrates with Twitch chat. It's a fun way to combine gaming with AI and elevate your stream if you're playing on your own and haven't got that much going on. So let's dive into it. So here we have the page that we've created, and first thing you see is obviously the API key, which you can generate for free through the Google Gemini site. Just hand click on this, sign in, and then hopefully in a second it will give me my AI commentary key, which I've set up. It doesn't take that long, really easy to set up. I'm just going to go back to this, place that key in there, and then I've got my OBS set up so it's streaming the source, which is my video source of my gameplay. So OBS, I'm going to activate that, which will then, as you can see, it's got my gameplay coming in, and then I am selecting the game mode, which is 0 build, and then I'm going to select Daniel as my voice. But as you can see, you can have a bit of play around and see which voice you would like to use. So it's got quick instructions how to get your audio into the OBS, just to follow those makes life simple. But I find that just capturing the application's audio into OBS is the quickest route rather than having to reroute with virtual wires. And so let's do a quick test of the audio.
This is a quick audio test. Sound path confirmed.
Perfect. I'm just going to mute my audio on the actual computer. And then I have got a listening button to listen into your mic whilst you're live, but I'm still testing it out. So please test it out to your heart's content. So that the AI actually interacts with you as well as a Twitch chat. And then I'm just going to go and activate, which I've already activated. I've connected to Twitch chat through the TMI, so it's just listening. It can't participate, but it can listen. And then let's just make sure this is all working. Let's go. And there you go. You can see that it's come through here. And the last thing to do is actually start a game. So I am going to start the commentary and let the API look at
I am absolutely loving this positive energy. Chat, let's go.
That screen, and let's actually get a game up. So let's have a game.
Solo 0 build selected. Get the jitters out. It's time to drop into the chaos. Center mass at Krusty. That high ground dictates the entire rotation for the first circle. That immediate high ground drop is an aggressive statement play. Get ready for conflict.
Get a bit of shield.
Half armor pushing the zone. One bad rotation ends this whole journey. 50 shield and pushing that porta potty. Hit the quick rotation. Now.
Nice. So it will actually look at how much shield I've got and everything else, comment on it, and say basically if I'm low, which is great. So it's a bit like a
half HP pushing a van. This is a high stakes 0 build gamble. $50 health. 0 cover. Get your loot and ghost out of this picnic area.
So just put some open captions.
Pushing that watchtower for massive elevation. 0 build map AI control saying. Unlocked if they survive the climb. Kill feed is hot. Forget the uncommon loot. Finish that 50 shield before the third party hits. The shield is cracked. This is a dangerous drop, but that shotgun is hungry.
let's have a good go. So
The high ground is beautiful, but that 30 shield is a death wish. Pop that mini.
yeah, that's good. Good point.
Zero build demands cover. That open path is a death sentence. Shield up faster. Half shields and 1 bullet in the ranger. Switch weapons or this pushes suicide.
There's only 1 bullet per in the range. Yeah, for that, let's get some.
50 health is suicide. Chug that big pot and punch through this candy land rotation.
Right, let's. So I'm really impressed of how quickly it. Oh, that's clever. Quickly it can.
That slurp slide is pure rotation. Full sending it for a quick 5-0 shield bump. $50 shield remaining. They just ate a shell and have 0 room for error.
So go for Scar, let's get rid of that one. And Snack. Let's give them a nice emote.
Gold Scar. Stop staring. Drop that blue AR immediately and max out the DPS.
He's still learning what it's meant to be looking at, but I think it's quite impressive. So this is just basic coding at the moment that it's utilising.
Pushing the bottleneck. Caves are unforgiving in zero
So
build.
we'll know what to say. But for side project, I'm
High risk
really
looting in the
impressed.
final circles, but that chest promises power.
Too slow, the other one.
Dodge that air blast and activate the hydro boost. Get out of that kill tunnel. Power position acquired. He's looking down the barrel at the remaining competition. Zero build high ground is cheating. That chaotic pit is about to get wiped. Absolute positional tyranny. That striker AR owns this valley floor. Height advantage is absolute control. Now finish the job before that storm hits. Shields are vaporized. The storm is at their heels. Finish this cleanup. Zero build style.
Let's get some ammo.
The high ground is firing. Use that shockwave or this fight ends right here. This is zero build knife fighting. Pull the trigger. Secure the finish. The purple AR is a laser. 96 hit. That shield is dust and he's totally exposed.
Yes. Only got 10 left. Okay, last 10. Let's see if we can get the W.
Stacked loot, but this exposed ground is begging for a quick scope. Get to cover. Wide open push for the beacon. No time to chill. This is zero build. Gold Striker just shredded that armor. This downhill sprint is a death sentence.
I'll take that. Another one.
Risky. Exposed pop,
Oh, geez.
but he needs that cushion for the endgame zone. Done. That explosive arc is cracking heat. 55 HP is a death sentence here. Reset your shields. But ditch that purple. The gold is calling your name. This is a full send shopping spree.
Come on, will it? Oops.
Purple striker versus high ground. He must win this angle before healing.
Absolute time.
70 HP and 0
Rubbish.
shields.
Anyway.
But the target is cracked. Win the
Oh, well, I've
spray.
been recording. It's 15 minutes of me just listening to the AI chatting away there. But no, 8. I'll take
Top
that.
8 heartbreak. Get back
anyway,
in the queue. Chan,
let's go.
that victory royale is still out there.
There you go. Just give me a bit of pep talk at the end there. So, right, let's come off that. That's the end of my demo. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed building this sort of AI commentator to help elevate your stream or somebody's stream, and then possibly twist it to make it a bit more sarcastic or to your liking. But if you want to have a quick look at it and use your own Gemini API and have a play, I'll leave the link to the actual site underneath. And well, thanks for listening, and well, stay safe. Cheers.